Not knowing the rules of the road is a fatal mistake. Hi, I'm Vasya, your driving instructor. Join our club and drive safely and without fines. Understanding the principle of right-of-way will ensure you make the right decisions on the road, keeping yourself and others safe. Whether you are a novice driver, an experienced driver, or simply want to refresh your knowledge of traffic rules, our videos provide clear explanations and practical examples. Let's dive into today's lesson. Look at this picture on the screen. There are no traffic lights or stop signs at this T-junction. 3 cars are approaching the T-junction. The green car is the first to arrive at the intersection from a side road that ends at the intersection and wants to turn left onto the roadway. The red car is traveling on the roadway and wants to turn left onto the side road. The blue car is approaching the 3-way intersection and is going straight. In this scenario, which cars have the right-of-way, and in what order should they pass through the intersection according to traffic rules? Option A, green, red, blue. Option B, blue, red, green. Option C, blue, green, red. I'll give you 10 seconds to think and enter the correct answer in the comments. Pause the video if you need more time to think. Let's take a few seconds to study this situation and choose the correct answer according to the DMV manual at T-junctions without stop signs or yield signs. Cyclists and pedestrians on the roadway who continue straight have the right-of-way over vehicles entering from side roads or driveways. Therefore, the blue car traveling on the roadway has the right-of-way. The red car must yield to the blue car. The green car waiting to turn left onto the roadway must yield to both the blue and red cars before turning left. So the order will be: first the blue car passes, then the red car, and then the green car, after making sure it is safe to turn left. Therefore, the correct answer is B. We hope this video has helped you understand and resolve the issue of right-of-way in a situation that occurs very often while driving. Congratulations if you chose it. Subscribe to my channel so you don't break the rules.